Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So friends, how are you all? I hope you all are safe and fine. So let's start DIY do it yourself. Today I am going to share with you recycle a courier box into a pen stand with soil. Here I am using a soil clay which consistency is very thick. We can say it's a dropping consistency. I fill it in a cone and with the help of this cone I can draw different pattern. So with the help of pencil I am doing here trace the design on the box, and after that with the help of cone I can draw a different pattern with soil clay. Let it dry for 1 hour. After 1 hour, apply the mixture of glue and water on the pattern and again let it dry. Now let us start painting with different color and decorate your pen stand with different shades of color. Here my pen stand is ready. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for getting the latest updates of my video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned with me.